Oil prices are creeping back up this morning. They jumped yesterday after European Union leaders agreed to ban most of Russia's crude oil imports. But prices plunged later in the day after a report said that OPEC was thinking about suspending Russia from an OPEC production deal. Let's bring in Amrita Sen, the founder and director of research at Energy Aspects. And a lot of moving cross currents here, Amrita. What do you kind of think of things just in terms of OPEC specifically with Russia?
I'd say that there was never a talk of OPEC suspending Russia. The rumors were about exemption. I think they're very important words to distinguish. Remember, just like Iran and Venezuela, who are under sanctions, and they are exempt from the current OPEC Plus deal, that's where the rumor started that, oh, does Russia get exempt from the deal? We are being told by our sources that that's not the case. That's not something that's on the table for tomorrow. The current deal is in place for another 3 months. However, this could be an issue for September onwards, where the current deal, once it ends, perhaps that's when OPEC Plus will require to rethink how it continues its production policy. Right now, compliance is actually much under what they need to be because countries like Russia aren't producing at their quota levels. We know the White House is putting a lot of pressure on Saudi Arabia and UAE to raise production. So one way of achieving that, like quote unquote, oh, compliance has gone up, is saying, oh, by the way, we've exempted Russia and therefore our overall compliance is better. So there are ways to address some of those concerns. But I do want to reiterate that the bond and there is a very strong link between Saudi Arabia and the GCC countries right now. And I don't think, you're just going to get them break out of this deal. OPEC Plus, particularly Saudi Arabia, remains very committed to the deal.
Yeah, I think that was the big question. When the headlines first circulated yesterday, I mean, I thought when I read it that it meant that there was going to be a split, that there was some disagreement between, let's say, Saudi Arabia and Russia, and that this was going to be a situation where they just didn't agree, because clearly Russia has been kind of on board and leading how much they've been allowed to pump to this point. That's not the case. That throws a lot of cold water on everything we were thinking yesterday.
I would say so. And look, I think this is what the U.S. administration would like, but that's very different from whether this is going to actually happen. And again, like I said, particularly Prince Abdulaziz has been very, very committed to the deal. And he has been, reiterating that the current tightness in the market, yes, crude is very, very tight, but the tightness is much more to do with refined products. And even adding more crude to the market is not necessarily going to solve the problem of what we are facing in terms of gasoline and diesel prices. And in terms of particularly the relationship with Russia, you have seen over the last few months, they simply are, again, coming together as a unit and saying, no, we are going to continue to add within whatever they can to the deal. And they just remain very, very committed, the group as a whole, to this deal.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.